guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your own hair grease at home. So before we start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new. Like, comment, subscribe and share this video with anyone you think might need it. So to start this video, first of all, I have already added my base cream. If you guys want a video on how to make this base cream, I can make a separate video for you guys on that. And the next thing I added to this is my vaseline or vaseline, I don't know how you pronounce it. So the next thing I'm also going to add is my Sulphur medicated hair cream. And I love Sulphur. In fact, I love any hair product that has a tingling feeling in it, just because I love how it feels on my hair and I suffer from dandruff. So I'm also going to add my Virgo hair fertilizer. There is no particular measurement for this, but I'm still going to leave my measurements in the description box. So for everything I added here, apart from the base cream, I used 1 tablespoon. As you can see, I am also adding 1 tablespoon of my Dermatol. Like I said, I love any product that has a tingling feeling to it, just to help me with my dandruff and itchy scalp. So this is going to help if you have dandruff, if you suffer from itchy scalp and most of hair conditions that I can't mention right now. So I'm also going to add my E.wax to this. Now if you don't have E.wax and you have your B.wax or PTMS 250, you can use them as substitute for this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my oil. This is my Aryuvedic oil that has been infusing for about 3 weeks now, and I am going to add few drops of this oil into my hair cream, sorry. And I am also going to go ahead and add another oil at the end of this. Now you can substitute this for any oil of your choice. You can even use baby oil for this or mineral oil depending on the oil you have. I'm adding my Argan oil to this and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of Argan oil. So now I'm going to go ahead and double boil this. I'm going to melt this on low heat, and this is what it looks like after melting everything inside that bowl. Now this is the best time to add whatever essential oil you want to add. You can also add any extract you have. If you have any extract that you want to add to your hair cream, you can add it at this point. But I didn't add any essential oil because I already like how nice it was smelling. So I just went ahead to pour it into the container I want it to be in, because as this gets cool, it will solidify immediately. So as you can see, this is how it looks. After pouring it into the container, you can put it in your fridge or just leave it out. Anyhow you leave it, it's going to cool down and solidify on its own. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So this is the next morning and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I love how this thing looks and it smells very nice. I don't know if I'm the only one that likes the smell of Sulphur. I really love it. So as you can see, this is really moisturizing. Once you apply this to your hair, it is going to help lock in moisture on your hair anyhow you like it. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.